Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious banana bread sandwich. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need ripe bananas, flour, sugar, eggs, and butter to bake the perfect banana bread. For the filling, consider cream cheese, peanut butter, or even Nutella. Don't forget to prepare your baking pan and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, getting everything ready for a smooth baking process. Now let's get baking. Start by mashing about 3 ripe bananas in a large bowl until smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, 1½ cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then, combine your wet ingredients, ½ cup of melted butter, 2 eggs, and 1 cup of sugar. Gently fold the wet into the dry, then bake for 50 to 60 minutes until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once your banana bread is baked, let it cool completely on a wire rack. This is crucial for clean slices. Next, carefully slice the bread into pieces about ½ inch thick. Now for the fun part, assembly. Spread your favorite filling, like cream cheese or peanut butter, evenly onto one slice. Then, simply top it with another slice to create your delightful banana bread sandwich. Your banana bread sandwich is now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve it immediately. You can elevate the flavors even further with a sprinkle of cinnamon or a light drizzle of honey. This versatile treat is wonderful for breakfast, a satisfying snack, or a sweet dessert. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to maintain freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.